Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2011 Harley Davidson Sportster 1200 Custom. This bike is really cool, black satin finish. It's got the running lights up front, nice exhaust system, and a really cool high tail backrest. Only 11,600 miles on this beautiful Harley Sportster. Belt drive. This bike is ready to make your Harley Davidson dreams come true. Come by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Only $69.99. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.